Salut, hi! Welcome back to another review vlog. Today we got a package. Oh my faves. This is the brand that sent me the package that I really loved the last time. If you didn't see it, you can go watch it. Okay. But this is a new package from the winter collection and I'm so excited to open it up. I was sick for a couple of weeks, so I've just had this box sitting in my living room, staring at it, wanting to open it, but knowing that I cannot open it until I do a real unboxing review, honest everything, because otherwise I would just do a fake one and that wouldn't be nice. So now we're gonna see if I love it after like 3 weeks of waiting to open it. I'm excited. Let's do it. Okay, let's open it up with scissors because my nails are not gonna do it. My tiny scissors with my tiny hands. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Product number 1. That's not product, that's tissue paper. First we have this khaki trench coat. I thought it was so cool. I picked this one because it literally only has 2 buttons in the front. Khaki was a color that I actually wanted to try, but I didn't find enough products to try. And it's very oversized, kind of baggy. I'm hoping that it won't be like short on me because I am tiny. Don't tell anyone. It also has this little button on the back, so let's see. And this is so cool because this is like this one shirt that I got from them before, so I can wear that together. Let's see. Hopefully it's kind of oversized because that's what I like. Cute. And then, because I actually don't like closing myself all the way all the time, so, and I'm wearing a thick jumper under this, so that's a good thing. The pockets are closed at the moment, but they are pockets. 10 out of 10.
Cute, looking like a little umbrella. A cute one though.
Great start, but
oh. I'm sorry.
Doesn't want to be in my video, but wants to make commentary in the video. On to product number 2. So in this one, I didn't pick as many as the last one, but I had to pick like tops and bottoms. I didn't pick any dresses in this one, which is fine because I have those other 2, which are great. Now we have these trousers. They're kind of like sweats, but they're striped, which is cool. And I have a striped top on, so I did not plan this. This is just what I decided to wear today. Like looking at me in the corner. I don't know why. Next time, maybe you guys can all comment that she needs to be in the video.
Those are really cute.
They are cute, right? Okay, let's try them on. I hope they fit. They look like they'll fit, but I hope they fit. It's not the same color, so I can't wear them together like at all. But so cute, so comfy, looking like a candy cane. So long. And you can see, but like it's on the floor, so I'd have to get it tailored or something because they're long. But I like that they're long because they're kind of baggy, but they fit perfectly over here. And they have a drawstring in case you want to make it smaller as well. So that's very cool. They have pockets, comfy. You want to wear them at home, but I think you can style them to go out as well. That's great. It even looks cute with this coat. It's like a white jumper and or a t-shirt or something. Even like a black jumper with these trousers. Some sneakers. Can you see my toes? Besides not seeing my toes, I think it's good.
So actually you gave me 6 options, not 3.
Alright, well, surprised that I like that one? Not at all. Now we have a jacket. So I've been wanting a jacket like this for a really long time. I always wanted to buy one for myself, but then I didn't because they're usually like very pricey. And then when I saw this on the list, I was like, yes, let's get one. So I'm hoping it's not too small because I do like when they're oversized. It already feels very soft, which I love. It's not shiny, it's a nice matte. Hoping, praying. Take off this change coat, which I probably would not have done because I really like it now. It's like this cool tomboy change coat, but also small stylistic details. Love, absolutely love. But let's try on the jacket. Okay. It's all zipped. Oh, it's got little buttons. Okay. It's buttoned up and there's a zip on the inside. Stop peeking around the corner. Already arms oversized. Oh my gosh. Brands know how to make them your favorite. Look at this.
That's really cute.
It's so cute. And like there's still space in my arms. Like here's my arm. And I have a strap on. And I have a spencer on under the jumper, so that's amazing. But it already feels so warm. I am super, super happy. Finally have one. You see, patience is a virtue. Now look at me. This is so good. So good.
You can zip that.
Then to show you how it zips up. If you would like to zip it up, like if you're super, super cold, you don't have to zip it all the way to the top if you don't want to. If you want to keep the way it's sitting like right now. And I like that it's kind of cropped as well. It's not like super long. But you can zip it up like that. Then you clip your little buttons. And you're good.
It's really cute. I think it's my favorite.
Really? You still have another one to go. And then we'll know. It can go all the way up if you wanted to, and it has a little buckle over here, which is cute. Alex said it's getting straight jacket.
It's really what?
Straight jacket.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, when you're in an asylum. That's what you said!
That looks very nice. I like it.
If you're really cold and you want to put it all the way up, I think that's a good option. And I'm very happy with this one. Let's do the final piece. Wow, we have one more to go. I might just wear the jacket today. This one I was really excited about. I was unsure because I really wanted a coat like this. And it's like even in like a packet and everything. These ones were not in packets. This one was in a packet. So I'm hoping this one is oversized. I'm hoping it's baggy. I'm hoping it's giving what I wanted to give. Okay, I'm taking it. Guys.
Oh my goodness.
Alex said that this one was her favorite. But we'll see now. Pray for me, it's long as well. So I hope it keeps my wife. I feel like I just need to keep it in the packet all the time. It's also the only one that had a hanger. But already, so soft, so beautiful. Okay, it's really pretty color, right? The brown, everything, everything. So now, let's see if it lives up to what we think it is. Let's do this. We did the cute one off. Let's do this. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Little pockets. It's so soft, yes, come feel it. Come here.
Are you baiting me?
Oh. So look at this detail. How shiny it is.
That's very nice.
All of my snow date outfits are here. Now I just need a snow date. And a date. Soft, it's lined on the inside as well. It's got pockets. But the pockets are kind of invisible. Like you don't see them if you don't look for them. There is still some space in my arm. It's not as baggy as the other one, but I think it's baggy enough. It's very warm. All the jackets are warm actually, even the trouser. I don't know if I can pick a fave in this one. Do a little twirl. It's not floor length, which is good because otherwise it would just be getting dirty all the time. But it's long enough.
I think it's really good. If it was more oversized, you'd look like it's too big for you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I am super happy. You know, I never thought I was going to be unhappy though. From the first package that they sent me, I was over the moon, I was ecstatic, and this one I also have no faults with. I am so happy. I will be putting this back on the hanger in plastic. I think we did a good job. I think so. I don't know if I can pick a fave today actually. I'm really trying my best, but I feel like the change coat is a really cool tomboy change coat with a slight difference to a usual change coat, which I actually really like. So that it's not like everyday ones. And I was thinking of getting one like that, so very cool. The second one is a jacket that I've always wanted, and now I've got it. So, and this one I really wanted a faux one as well. And it's so good. So I'm struggling to pick a fave. But maybe that's a good thing. You tell me if you have a favorite, which one you like the most, which one you would get for yourself, which one you enjoyed the most on this unboxing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for the next video. Bisous.